tightening it.
Oh yeah.
I know you're upset.
Yeah, man, I was like, shit. If it was suspended, they and it is fine. Everything. Fuck, bro. I don't like it. Why? I'm being so stupid. Right, let's go. And you and
So now you remove 6 Phillips screws.
my tickets to the
This is torque number 50. Now remove 4 bolts, 2 on the front, 2 in the back. This amplifier always gets wet. Be sure to clean the sunroof drain hole. If you don't clean the drain hole, front side of the sunroof, the water is going to travel all the way down to the trunk area where the amp is at. And that's what happens to the original amp. So clean that drain hole so you don't get water damage in the trunk.